Namaste and welcome back to the coordinate geometry class. Let's learn the way to find the radius and center of a circle if equation of a circle is given. Our today's question is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 10y plus 1 is equal to 0. And to solve this type of question is a little tricky. First of all, we arrange the equation keeping the terms with same variable together as x square minus 2x together plus y square plus 10y together and plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we will target to express this given equation in the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square, which is our standard form. And to express this x square minus 2x, we make some changes. Let's write this x square minus 2x as x in the bracket square minus 2 into x into 1. We also write plus 1 square and minus 1 square. Let's understand how this comes. Here x square can be written as x inside the bracket and square outside. This 2x can be written as 2 into x into 1, as both means same. Most importantly, this one and this one, both of them are representing b when compared with the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we write plus 1 square so that we can change this into this formula form. And we write this minus 1 square to balance this plus 1 square that we have written from outside ourselves. Now we follow this same technique with the other two terms, y square plus 10y also. So we write plus y inside the bracket and square outside plus breaking this 10y, we can write 2 into y into 5 plus, now we'll write 5 square minus, we'll write same 5 square plus 1 from the question, from above equation is equal to 0. Here, this 5 and this 5, both are representing b. If we compare with the formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we write plus 5 square here. And we also write minus 5 square to balance this plus 5 square, since we have added this from outside. That was not in the question. Doing this step really needs great effort along with technique. Let's now simplify this equation as x minus 1 whole square. As you can see, this x square minus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 is similar to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that can be written as a minus b whole square. So we write x minus 1 whole square here. In the same way, this y square plus 2 into y into 5 plus 5 square is similar to this right side, a square plus 2ab plus b square, which can be written in this form, a plus b whole square form. So we will write that as plus y plus 5 whole square. Now we write this minus 1 square that we have left before here as 1, and this minus 5 square as minus, and 5 square means 25, and plus 1 from here is equal to 0 on the right side. As you see, this minus 1 and this plus 1 can be cancelled, being same number with opposite sign as it is allowed here. And we will take this minus 25 on the right side, so that we can express the obtained equation in our standard form. So let's continue. As x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square is equal to 25 with plus sign on the right side. Let's do one more step. X minus 1 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square is equal to 25 can be written as 5 square. Now compare this obtained equation with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. And here we get h is equal to, let's focus on sign 2, this minus and minus from formula. Minus and minus will be equal to plus, and in place of h there is 1. So plus 1 is the value of h. Similarly, this plus and minus from formula, plus and minus when multiplied is equal to minus. So we write k is equals to minus sign, and in place of k there is 5. So minus 5 will be the value for k. Similarly, on the right side, this 5 is in place of radius. So we'll write r is equals to 5 units. So our center is written as h comma k is equal to 1 comma minus 5, and radius is equal to 5 units. With this, our requirement of today's problem is fulfilled. I hope I made enough effort to make you clear. Do share the content and channel. Thank you.